When I take staff into my firm, I tell them these are the numbers I want them to trade according to. I want them to scan the markets for about 15 minutes a day, a couple of times. So 2 times 15 minutes. Now, why not longer? Well, what we found is the longer you put somebody in front of a computer, the more likely they're going to trade out of boredom or frustration or greed if they've had some winning trades, or out of anger and revenge if they've had losing ones. So perversely, there wasn't a correlation between the more time you spend in front of a screen or the harder you work and the richer you get, funnily enough. Okay, we asked them to scan 12 to 20 products to trade, just scan through using one screen. They can use more, but they don't need lots of screens. One trade, quality trade per day, so they don't do low quality trades, which is about 20 per month. Now, those numbers might come as a surprise, but we'd far rather somebody did one quality trade a day than lots of just crazy ones out of boredom and tedium. Okay, now numbers which might surprise you.